Hello, I'm Wei Wei. We are from Group 2 and our group members are Shi-Junyi, Yuntian, You-Yi, Zongyi Ti. Our group name is Finding My Classroom. As we can see, during recent years, the number of enrollment students in UT Dallas is growing faster. With the existing facilities, students are struggling to find a comfortable place to study, not only during final weeks, but also other school days. Having growing number of students, we only have limited study places. Libraries are always full of students and there is little area for students to have group study or discussion. Many students also choose to study at the student union building, but it is quite noisy and it is not a good environment for studying. Among all the above situations, we can get the benefit of studying in classrooms. However, there are still many difficulties for us to find a proper classroom. Then, our design system can help to solve this problem.
Currently, there is no existing system to help students find vacant classroom in a timely manner, and students are lack of information of university's available classroom schedule. Sometimes, due to some reasons, such as class cancelled or temporary reserved activities, classroom status can be changed. Without the help of an application, there is no information updated in time, and students usually waste a lot of time in finding a classroom in which they can study. In addition, it's more difficult to search an available classroom when user is unfamiliar with other school buildings in the university. To address the current problem, we create our system to help students find classroom with the help of university's classroom schedule database and member-generated information. Moreover, we incorporate the navigation function in our system to make finding classroom more easily and efficiently.
So here is how we are addressing these problems. After setting the buildings and time slot, there will be some available classroom information shown to the user, and then the user could choose the classroom they want. For members, they can preset the preference information of building and time slot about classroom, and just use it to get available classroom list. If they don't want to use the existing setting, they also could update the preference. Members also can update classroom information when they notice there is an activity cancelled in a classroom, or such a classroom is occupied temporarily. This would contribute to improve the performance of our classroom schedule. In case the user is not familiar with the school or building the selected classroom belongs to, there is still a navigation function. After users select the available classroom they want, the location information of the user and the selected classroom are retrieved and sent to map dataset, and then the route is computed, and the direction will be displayed to the user. Users can get the navigation and find the classroom easily.
This is the BPMN. This is the use case diagram.
This is the context diagram.
For our interface, our main screen is simple and clean with only two directions user can go. One is view building map, and the other is user login on the right. A user can check the box below to select buildings. After that, our system will display empty classroom info, which is shown in green. A user can pin his or her location in red and select target empty classroom and click Get Route button to get navigation if the user is not familiar with the building. For member sign-in screen, a user input the credentials and click the login button. If a user forget password, he or she can click the blue underline text forget password to reset credentials using his or her email address. For new users, they can sign up with the link using their email address. Members can also update their preference like shown on the right. A member can update his or her preference in the selection of buildings, which is left, classroom preference, which is in the middle, and path history, which is the memo on the right.
There will be several benefits that the system provides. The first is that the students can find classroom quickly and easily. Students do not need to walk around the whole building just to find an available classroom for study. It will save students a lot of time, especially in the exam week when all the students are busy in preparing exams. Second, it will increase in utilization of vacant classroom. The good location classrooms are always crowded, while other classrooms are empty. The system will help to distribute the students to the vacant classroom, which will make a good study environment. Next, students can get to the classroom just by following the navigation. We all know that the campus is very large. Even for senior students, it is sometimes hard to find a specific building or classroom. By using our app, they can find their desired classroom very easily. The last one is that users who log in can update the classroom information to the system, which will help the real-time database more accurate and benefits other students.
For the future scope of our system, we want to combine our system with school's classroom reservation system. The school classroom reservation system is mostly used by clubs, leagues, and other groups like SAP user group. If we combine, our app can benefit other users to know the status of a classroom more accurately along with what we can do with class schedule. Thus, we can make use of vacant classroom efficiently. Also, we want to create a reward system to benefit both our system sponsors and our active users. We may set to reward top 15% members with gift card, which would spur our members' motivation and build an active community. A larger, well-active user base will better help our sponsor increase their brand awareness and also our system's awareness to the public. It's a win-win for members and our system sponsors. We also want to add an alert feature which we will alert users if they have planned to study in a classroom at a specific time. By doing that, users will feel convenient and get planned.
Thank you.